pool buyout platform. Data analytic models, we have revamped 22 data analytic models. Cloud migration, existing digital lending platform. Presently, we are going on the microservices, which is on-premises cloud services, which is highly scalable and low cost and faster in services. Then Gen AI, already in one project we told employee assist, and second we are doing with RBI Innovation Hub, which is the customer automatic grievance redressal system. The CRM solution, the new age CRM solution bank has taken up. Data lake also bank has taken up. We are going to complete our this SD-WAN project, which is we have completed in many of the branches. Then the ISNP, the digital insurance platform bank also taken up, and we have done a couple of journeys, and it's ongoing journey. We will be doing in another Q3 and Q4 also. And AgriStack and the corporate credit journey also will be launching in this coming quarter. Thank you very much. Any question on this, we'll take it.
Congratulations, sir.
What we are doing in the HR side and this
Sir, hold on for the questions.
As we all are in service industry, and the only differential, I guess, is the way we serve to our customers, our customer base, and how we interact with other stakeholders. So, as through HR, we are serving our 12,44,000 crores of business and around 9 crores of customer base through a strong, dedicated, committed, and well-trained staff base of 41,470. We are very young also. Average age of our employees is only 38 years, and we are recruiting also. We are recruiting journalists in the journalist cadre, in the ward staff, in the sub staff, and in the officer cadre. But at the same time, we are recruiting in specialized cadre also, like risk, IT, and other specialized vertical, so that we want to be future ready. We are not only onboarding our staff members, but at the same time we are training them also. We are making them future ready, so that there is a proper succession planning. So training participation, we are participating in external trainings also. And this year we are way forward. We are training our 400 strong middle management employees, so that they will be future ready for 8-10 years. They will be serving to our customers in more efficient way through this leadership development program. Further, what we have done a performance management system which is dynamic. Every month, every staff is getting what they have performed and how they are ranked, how they are scored. So that is also bringing in many commitment from the customers. We are working on their healthcare. We are working on their full life cycle. And that is also my suggestion.
Good afternoon all. Let me address the corporate credit segment, the SCF, supply chain finance, the cash management, and the IGSS, the new subsidiary that bank has launched. So coming to the mid corporate credit, from 25 crore to 150 crore, we categorize as mid corporate credit. As on 30th September, the mid corporate credit stood at 43,793 crores, a year-on-year growth of 20%. To cater to this mid corporate segment, the bank has at present 29 mid corporate branches present across the country. And this financial year, we have added one. So earlier it was 28, we added one, that is in Erode. And we have one in pipeline that will soon launch in the coming days. If you see in the mid corporate segment, it is a focused segment for the bank because the yield on this particular advances are better than corporate credit, large corporate credit advances. Now coming to the supply chain finance and cash management system, the bank has an income of 100 crores in Q2 in cash management system, which is a increased from 27 crores the corresponding earlier year. So this cash management income includes direct debit mandate, nudge mandate, IV collect, B collect and other products that is available. Supply chain finance is a new vertical that we introduced last year, and with no time we achieved 700 plus crore of AUM during this 1 year period. We have added 10 anchors in supply chain finance. So after supply chain finance, lastly the IGSS, this is the subsidiary bank started in the last financial year. In the month of March 2024 we started. The basic purpose of IGSS is to support the bank in couple of functions which is permitted by RBI, like sales, collection and operation. So when we say sales, it is liability sales and asset sales. So we have started this operation in 3 zones: Chennai North, Chennai South and Unnamalai zone to begin with. So the standard that we have set for this IGSS for these 3 activities. So all these standards has been met and we are above the target or benchmark level, you can say. So to begin with, we started with CASA mobilization, vehicle loan sales, home loan sales, personal loan sales and collection, and slowly we move towards operations in the days to come. And once we gather momentum, we will understand this activities with these 3 zones. We will expand to all our 90 zones or the zones that will be in the future. Thank you.
Good afternoon, friends. Basically, we are full-fledged banking. So, in order to penetrate more into the deeper penetration of the agriculture sector and the rural sector particularly, we are going to broad base our BC network. Initially, we were having 15 corporate BCs. We have increased their strength to 20, and close to 11,000 operating points were there. Now we have close to 13,000 operating points of the BCs, which are going to increase by 2 more thousand by 2025, March 25. So it will be close to 15,000. So these branches, these corporate BCs will be serving as the extended arm of the branches, providing services in the rural areas. Secondly, people would have seen that nowadays compliance is of prime importance. So we are going to integrate that through the system, so that online monitoring of the compliance systems can be done. So whatever the aberrations are coming, they will also be taken care of, and we will be improving the compliance also in terms of the regulatory guidelines.
Congratulations everyone for the fabulous performance. Now I would like our media friends to ask Q&A. Before asking their questions, request you all to introduce yourself and the publication and then ask the questions.
I'm from Chennai Press News. Basically, it's on CASA deposits. How we are going to overcome that? And how many new accounts you added in the last quarter?
So today, basically, as you must be reading the papers, the bank is ready to face these challenges. PA opened around a 27 lakhs account in the last half, is against 58 lakhs account of the last financial year. Bank is coming out with the differentiated products for the customers. Bank is now opening the accounts to the tab. 96% account are being opened to the tab. We are having created 100 resource acquisition centers. We are catering to the HNI customer, NRI customers. This is a marketing wing. We are 450 relationship managers we have deployed. We are improving our products, features. We are increase the interest rate also. 400 days we are giving 7.3. We are also using digital health. So all way we are facing this challenge. And you see, bank is successfully able to maintain domestic CASA more than 40% in this competitive environment.
Last meeting you said you were focusing on MSME branches. This time you not talk about MSME branches. You have any focuses on that, or you are going to add corporate branches?
So what we are doing the MSME business in three, 4 ways. One is the mid corporate branches, which my colleague Ashutosh is probably having around 28, 29 mid-corporate branches, having a segment between 25 to 150 crores. So below this 25 crores, we are having the 80 MAPCs. Through this we are doing, and what we have done in addition to that, we are coming out of the various products. The products are offered specific to the clusters, products are offered from the corporate office based on the GST, based on the digital footprints. So we are offering the products based on digital footprints, based on the clusters, based on the security, based on the number of ways we are funding the MSME sectors.
Last question, sir. Any other slippage in last quarter?
Last quarter slippage was 1,357.
Any customer?
No, not a big account, all are small. If you go deeper into that, you find that out of this 1,357, 130 crore is in retail. Retail means some is housing, some is education, some is vehicles, small account. Agriculture is 681 crore, so the KCC accounts or the KCC Agri-Allied, these are the accounts. MSME account 308 and the corporate 238 accounts, 34 accounts. So not a big accounts, and total is 1,357, which is 1.06% of our book, and the recovery is 2,000.
Thank you.
So I am from Freelance Media News Network, sir. So recently we have heard about the crime news regarding tampering and thefting of ATMs in and around the city of Tamil Nadu. So in this situation, what the Indian Bank has taken any steps to strengthen the security and safety of ATMs, sir?
I request for that.
Okay.
So, as far as the ATMs are concerned, what we have done, we have now 24/7 e-surveillance. So, wherever anything happens in any ATM, immediately call goes to the branch manager, the ATM officer, and to the police station. So, all those things for all the ATMs we are providing e-surveillance. So that helps us in saving this from this kind of theft and all.
Surveillance is 24/7 basis.
Thank you.